Hi everyone! If you want to change network provider setting on Bluestacks for various reasons, today I will show you step by step how can you change network provider setting on Bluestacks. So to begin with, enter your Bluestacks application on your computer first, and then wait for a while to finish downloading. Okay, so what you need to do next is try to find setting. So you can see YouTubers here, and then this is your right side bar. So you can find setting by two ways. The first method is just click three horizontal lines and you can go to your setting on off. If you want to go from your right side, click go to the setting icon and the Discord icon here. So just click setting. Okay. And then what you need to do is you need to find network, internet, or mobile phone. So here you can see performance, display, graphic, preference, phone, user data, reference, and about. So actually, the option will vary depends on your device. If you're a Windows user, you're gonna see like network and internet or mobile network like this. For me, it's select phone. So just click it and you can see network providers and device profile here. So here we want to provide, we want to change our network provider, right? So just click it, and here for me, I have True Ace network provider. So if you want to change, and there's a other network near your house or near you, they will appear in here. But for me, I only have this one because there's only one network provider near me. So, and then so when you see your network provider, choose the option that you want to connect. And then you just need to do save change. So if you're sure you want to save, just save change and go back to your BlueStand and your network provider successfully changed. So this is how to change. But in some case, BlueStart also restart by itself. So you don't need to go back. What you need to do is your BlueStart will be restarted in a while and then you can directly go to your applications and your network provider already changed. This is how to change network provider setting on BlueStart. As I mentioned before, for me, it's only one here. So when you find your network provider, available network provider will be seen on this option. Yeah, like this. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. I hope this video gonna help you a lot if you want to change network provider setting on your BlueStart. See you, bet.